Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily fix your error when you see no carrier, no cellular data here on up of the screen, and how you can fix this error, no service. So first you need to try just swipe up, and here you will see airplane, so just click on airplane and just wait some time and just click airplane again. So here you will see your cellular data and your mobile data, and also if it doesn't help you, you can try another thing. It's to turn off your device. So just click on power and just wait some time until you will see slide to power off. So just slide to power off and it will turn off your device. So after you do it, you just need to also you can do hard reset. So for doing hard reset, it depends on model of iPhone you have. So in some models it's pressing home and power button for about 10 seconds, and on iPhone X and 11 you need to press on home button and lower sound volume button and just wait for 5 or 6 7 seconds, and it will until you will see here Apple logo. So it means that you make hard reset on your iPhone. So also I hope that one of these methods will help you. And the last thing you can also try is to take off your SIM card and put it again, because sometimes it helps.